everyone, today I would love to crochet with you this very easy scrunchie. It's one row pattern. You know, I love one row patterns when you don't have to really watch the pattern. That's only half double crochet all around, and then we just join the two parts. It's super easy, stylish, and you can use it for every day and as a gift to your friends. You can make it in practically 2 hours, and I really love it. For this project you just need any elastic that you have. You can even buy the cheap one, like 100 of them, maybe €1, and tapestry needle and the crochet hook and any cotton yarn. So I used sorry, I pushed the tripod. So I used the normal cotton yarn. The description I will put in under the video. And I used 2.5mm crochet hook. Okay, let's not waste time and start to crochet our beautiful scrunchie. We're going to start our scrunchie with the slip knot. Just make slip knot the way you're comfortable with and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will chain depending how big I want it to look like. So normally I never count for scrunchies. You can make them depending how you want them to look like. So I think, wow, like this maybe is even too big. So around this is enough, I guess, like that. So now I count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21 I have. So it can be any even or odd number. It depends how you want it to look like. Doesn't have to be exactly the number of counts I have. So just insert and slip stitch together. Slip stitch. And now check that it didn't twist. Anyways, that it's completely okay. So now we're gonna chain 1. It's better even chain 2. Yarn over, and we make half double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over, half double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over, half double crochet. And we continue until the end of this row to make half double crochet. So when you have finished this row, you must slip stitch with the very first chain 2. Just insert. I cannot see very well, but okay. Just slip stitch, and we start row 2. Chain 2 again, and we continue with half double crochet into the first stitch. So you continue with half double crochet until the end of this row. So now I have finished row 3, and you can see how the pattern will look like. Actually, that's the whole pattern. You have to continue to make half double crochet into each stitch until you have a very big piece, and then I show you how to connect it, and I will show you how long is my piece. So that's how you must proceed. Just make half double crochet into each stitch. So I have finished my scrunchie, and right now I'm showing you how to connect the two parts. Just cut the yarn, leave enough for sewing, and take your tapestry needle. So I'm gonna just insert, and here on the other side I will find the way where we had the tail, and I attach the two parts together. So what we do is we take the front loop of this side where we work, and we take the only thing you have here, the chain, foundation chain, there. So theoretically they are both the two front loops, and we just sew them together. And that's it. Just go there, then find the other one and connect the two front loops all around, and then just cut the yarn. So I continue and show you what happened later. So by connecting that way, you see that we imitate half double crochet, and the seam is practically invisible. We cannot see the way how we connect, and you just go on, even behind there, just move like that, and you will see better, and you just connect the front loops only, and it's super easy, beautiful, and invisible. So that's how it must look like. When you're done, just finish by inserting your tapestry needle somewhere, and then pull, and then just cut the yarn, and the end will stay inside, and your scrunchie is done. You can make many others and also give them as a gift to your friends. I think they will really appreciate them. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.